I want to show you how to fix the grayed out portion of Hitfilm Express in your timeline, or make that grayed out or missing portion in your editor timeline in Hitfilm Express active, or make it a part of the entire timeline so you can export it. Have you tried, or are you trying to use, one of the highly rated video editing programs called Hitfilm Express, and you made your video and you're excited to get started and you're ready to break it down? Then you try to move it to the in-out area, but when you add it to the queue or just try to export it, the video only goes to 5 minutes or some other bizarre time. I've had this problem, and if you're watching this video, you've probably had it too. Before I begin, there may be some other ways to do this, and your comments are welcome, but this is what I found works. And make sure you subscribe and like this video if you find it useful. Now, I use another program to edit my video clips and add music, so I already know how long my video timeline will be. The problem with my other program is it reduces the audio quality whenever it's finalized, and Hitfilm Express is a workaround for me. Now you click on New under the top left-hand section of the screen, and in the New Project Settings under Editor, you can change the duration time in the editor. And right now it's set at 7 minutes and 50 seconds. I happen to know that the video clip I'll be working with has a little bit of a tag end on that, so I'm just going to increase it slightly. So set your duration time and hit OK. And then we go to the lower left screen. If yours is set up like mine, and I'm just using the default Hitfilm Express 14 template. And there's a tab for import, so I'll click on that, and then media, and I'll click on the clip I want. And for this particular video, I want to merge a separate audio clip that I cleaned up with Audacity. So next I want to import my media clip, and now it too is added and highlighted. And in this case, it's already highlighted, so I'll hold my control button, I'll left click on the video clip, and then I right click and I want to merge the audio and video. Now that it's done merging, over here on the left, in between the audio and video clip, it says merged. So I'll left click on it, drag it over into the editor portion, and it's on my timeline. I'm going to zoom in on the timeline just a little bit for you. And if you notice, I'm missing a little bit of video here right at the end of this clip. So if you can't see it, my timeline goes just past 7 minutes and 50 seconds. So if I take the clip as it stands right now, I go to Add to Queue, I clicked on Export, I'm adding it to Queue, and I select the in-out area, and it's showing it's right at 7 minutes and 50 seconds, and that's just a tiny bit shorter than I wanted. So it's cutting off my ending. And so what I want to do is click on the timeline, get the playhead. This thicker black bar up here is your playhead. Slide it out towards the end of the video. And this is what really tripped me up, and I had a heck of a time figuring out how to fix this. So again, you slide the playhead to the end of the video clip to include the grayed out portion that you want added. Then right click, and in the menu select Set to Contents. Click on it, or you can hit P. And now do you see, I hope you can see this, the area that was gray right at the end of the video is now the same color as the rest of the video, meaning it has been added or combined together. So now let's try that again. Click on Export, Add to Queue, and you can see it added just a little bit to the end of that video clip. And now it's ready to export. I was so frustrated because I couldn't figure out how to fix this, and I almost deleted Hitfilm. But I didn't give up, and I wanted to share what I found that works. And if it has you stuck, I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.